Okay, I'm Dr. Scott Fletcher, and it's that time of year again when all the kids are returning to school. And so this time of year, I tend to see a lot of kids coming into the office with a couple of common problems. One is neck pain, upper back pain, and shoulder pain, and a lot of times that's related to their backpack. So I've had a lot of parents ask me questions about backpacks, so I'm just going to go over that information briefly today. First thing, back to school, proper backpack usage. Number one thing related to backpacks. Is the backpack the correct size for your child? So I have an example of a child right here. It's a good looking kid right here. Looks a little bit like me. We're going to talk about a couple of things. First thing, when we're talking about size of a backpack, too big, too heavy can cause neck and back problems. We want to find a backpack that does not go below 4 inches below the waistline. That's too big, causes too many mechanical problems on the back. So when a child is trying on a backpack, we want to make sure that it's not so big that it's hanging significantly down below their waistline. Again, below 4 inches is too much. The second thing related to the backpack is too heavy. Too many books, too many things in the backpack can create a lot of strain on the neck, the back, and the shoulder. What's too heavy? A good rule of thumb is it should be less than 10% of the child's total weight, somewhere between 5 and 10%. So Hayden here weighs close to 100 pounds. That means that this backpack should be less than 10 pounds, preferably less than 5. So we want to be somewhere in there. If he loads it up with too many books and it's more than 10 pounds, sure enough, good way to develop some neck ache, some upper back ache, shoulder issues. And so those are the two things that parents should look for when they're shopping for a backpack for their kids in terms of size. Does the backpack have padded straps for comfort? You can see that this backpack does have, in fact, have padded straps, and that's important. When they don't have that, it tends to cut into the shoulders and the skin. It doesn't fit as well, and again, creates a lot of shoulder and neck issues. So look for padded straps. Does your child use both straps? I see a lot of kids walking around school with it around one strap like this, and of course that does not bear weight evenly from side to side. Again, it tends to create a lot of strain in the neck and the shoulder. So you want to make sure that your child has both straps and both of them secure and snug. Are the shoulder straps adjustable? These shoulder straps are in fact adjustable. Can you loosen those up for me? So when they're loose, you can see that the backpack hangs down too low. So what we want to do is we want to tighten and snug them up so that they're nice and tight, and that gets the backpack to fit in the right position. So you want padded straps, you want adjustable straps. And then, does the backpack have a padded back? Once again, you want padding back here in the back of the backpack. That takes a lot of stress and pressure off of the back. So once again, I see a lot of patients this time of year bringing their kids in with neck pain and upper back pain related to a backpack that doesn't fit. So look at the backpack the kid has from last year if you're thinking about using it again, or shop for a backpack with those particular things in mind. Any question or comments, leave them below. All this information we got from the American Chiropractic Association. We're going to include a link on that at the bottom of the page. Thank you.